Hello everyone, here is the math problem before us. This question looks easy but tricky, and so it has confused lots of students. This question is tricky because it contains several operations. Now let's take a look at the question. It says 4 all exponent 2 minus 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. In this question, the operations here are all exponent 2, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Many students know how to perform each operation correctly, but the challenge is knowing the correct order of operations. Now, let's take a look at how they solved this question during their exam. Actually, they started on a good note from the exponent angle, and they solved it this way. 4 exponent 2 means what? 4 multiplied by 4, not 4 multiplied by 2. So 4 multiplied by 4 will give us what? 16 minus 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Now, the next operation they solved was the multiplication operation, which was 16 minus 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 equals what? 8. The next was 16 minus 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So 16 minus 1 equals 15. This answer is wrong. Why? Because they didn't follow the order of operation. Mathematics needs consistency. That is why mathematicians developed the order of operation. The common version is PEMDAS. PEMDAS is the common version of operation. PEMDAS stands for P parenthesis E exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S subtraction. This version of operation tells us exactly what to do first, second, third, and so on. One thing many students don't realize is that multiplication and division are equal. Both are equal. They are of the same priority. Likewise, addition and subtraction, both are equal and of the same priority. PEMDAS does not mean that multiplication is always before division. It means multiplication and division are performed from the left to the right. Now, let's take a look at our problem carefully. The question was 4 all exponent 2 minus 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Now, we have all exponent 2. This all exponent 2 is the little number sitting above 4. It tells us to square 4 and not to double it. Squaring means multiplying a number by itself. So 4 squared equals what? 4 times 4, which will give us what? 16. So our question becomes 16 minus 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Now, the next thing is we now have what? 3 operations left here. We have subtraction, division, and multiplication. Now, under the rule of PEMDAS, once you have multiplication and division beside each other, then you are meant to start from the left to the right. From the left to the right. Now, our expression becomes what? 16 minus 8 divided by 2 will give us what? 4 multiplied by 4. Now, We are done with the division aspect. We are moving to the multiplication aspect. So our expression becomes what? 16 minus 4 multiplied by 4 will give us what? 16. So 16 minus 16 will give us what? 0. So 0 is our right answer. If you got a different answer, let's see why in the comment section. Some people multiply 2 by 4 first, others forget to square 4. Some even start with the subtraction. All of these approaches ignore the rule or operation of PEMDAS. If you enjoyed this brain teaser video, kindly like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for more math challenge that tests your understanding of PEMDAS. Till we meet in the next video. Bye.